Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Backyard Garage. So today we are going to continue working on the camper here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting these windows in right here, and will show you how I am going to do that. So stick around and let's see what happens. Okay, so what I did is I just went around the edge of these windows here and I cleaned them up as good as I can. And I'm going to take this, it's called Butyl Tape, and it's just like a tape and it's putty. Pretty much. It's a glue, it's a putty, it's for RVs, campers, and what you do is you just put it on the border, and acts as a sealant. Yeah, so you just take your butyl, you measure it out. I don't have enough to go around that side, so I'll just start over here. And it's got this backing on it that you'll peel off. There we go. And then you're just gonna press it on and then stick it on, and then you'll put the window in. Alrighty, and here is the window installed. Now you'll notice that the butyl is squishing out a little bit here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to clean that up. Unfortunately, yeah, that's what it does because it is butyl tape. And it's kind of sticky and squishy, and yeah, that's just how it is. So it's actually getting kind of dark here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these other windows in and I'll check back here in a second. Alrighty, it is starting to get dark on me. Hi, Lou. Hey, girl. She wants to play. It's time to play for a little bit. But I did go ahead and get all three of these windows installed. They are all butyled in. As you can see, you got butyl oozing all over. But it's not looking too bad. If you're wondering what this is from, there's an air conditioner that came with the trailer. And it's going to go in there. So what I'm going to do is, at a later date, I'll take out that wood, cut a new piece, and make it look better. Or just paint up that one. Previous owners or somebody, they just put screws in there to hold the wood to support the air conditioning. And then back here. So I think my next plan of action is, now that it's painted, is go ahead and get these lights put in. I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go over there. And then, yeah, that should be my next step. So anyway, yeah, I will see you on a new day. Alrighty, so we are about another week in, and I went ahead and got the windows installed like you saw. I got these lights in here on the back, and those are good to go. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start insulating. So what I got is some 1 inch, it's R5 insulation. It's just the foam insulation. It's gonna be a lot better than that thin insulation that was in there. So let's get to cutting. The way I'm going to cut it is I marked out a width that I needed. So I'm going to go ahead and score this with just a plain old X-Acto knife here. Don't know if you have ever done drywalling before, but the best way to cut drywall is to score it with an X-Acto knife and then snap it in half. So that works with this foam just as good. So let me get you set up and we'll start to get it installed. Alrighty, now we got all the ceiling insulated here. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to continue on insulating in here. I'm just going to start doing the walls and everything, just kind of like you just saw. Just cut, put it in, and then that's pretty much how you insulate. So let me continue. It's a little bit quicker if I don't record, so I'm not going to record because there's a lot of time stopping, recording, stopping, and recording. So let me get this finished, and I'll be back once it's done. Alrighty, so I am back and it's another day, and you know, this camper is down. Well, I was insulating the inside of the camper, and it was actually pouring outside, and I found a few leaks. So the good news is I know where they're coming from. There's one that's coming up over here on this corner, and then there's another one coming on the other side as well. So what I'm doing is I am actually changing plans here. I'm actually retaking this whole channel off, and I'm gonna be sealing this up with Butyl tape. It's the same tape that I put around these windows here to seal them off. So that's what I am doing. And yeah, I will get that installed. So you won't see the finished product for the interior on the installation on this video. I need to get it sealed and weatherproofed before I can move on. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing right now. But anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Let me get this finished here, and then on my next video we will continue with the installation, and then hopefully everything will be waterproofed, and then we can continue there. So if you have any questions, drop them down below. If you hit the thumbs up button, that'd be great. And then also don't forget to subscribe, and we will see y'all next time. Peace.